Okay, in my opinion, one of the most amazing things you can do with a sous vide that has nothing to do with meat is make homemade limoncello. So I set my sous vide temperature to 135 degrees, which is perfect because it's not so high of a temperature that it's going to cook off any of the alcohol. It's perfect for infusing. That's a great temperature for infusing things like olive oil as well. So we have in each jar the peel of 5 lemons, 2 cups of vodka, and we set it at that 135 for about 2.5 hours. So when these come out, we let them cool a little bit, and then what I was doing on the stovetop in the meantime was making a simple syrup, which is equal parts sugar and water. So I added to my 2 cups of vodka limoncello mixture 1 cup of simple syrup. Now we're funneling it into our beautiful little jars. Everything you want to get cool before using, but oh my gosh, enjoy.